Welcome to Nandakchi channel. This is a delicious focaccia bread that I want to go to in this episode. Stay with me until the end of the video. Let's get started. Flour. Add water slowly while stirring. Leave it aside for 1 hour. Lukewarm water. Sugar. Active yeast. Stir until completely dissolved. Pour over the dough. Knead well with wet hands. Pay attention to how to knead well. Salt. Olive oil. Knead the dough like me, and you shouldn't press for knead. Leave it aside again for 45 minutes. Continue kneading. Put parchment paper on the bottom of the mold. Pour olive oil and brush it. Pour the dough into the mold. Pour olive oil over the dough as well. Stretch the dough well. Leave it aside again for 1 hour. Pour olive oil and spread it. Make a little hole with your fingers. Add the special butter cubes. You can find detail in the description. Chopped olive. Add some vegetables. I use chives. Green pepper. Cottage cheese, or Parmesan. Bake in the oven for 35 minutes at 200 degrees Celsius 392 degrees Fahrenheit. Okay, that's it for today. Enjoy your amazing baking. For a better taste, you can brush a little special butter on the hot bread. Thank you for watching and happy baking.